Ooh. Okay, so I tend to get a little creative with my ideas of wanting to create new videos, new things, and I usually jot them down just by typing in some notes and so on. But then that's when I bought the keyboard, the Magic Keyboard, which honestly is probably one of my favorite products because it has backlit key, which is pretty cool. My only downside to this case is that the outsides are out, so they can easily probably be scratched, which still isn't that bad. I don't mind it, but also wouldn't want it getting scratched, so I'm thinking about getting like a D brand skin or something like that. But going on to that topic, I sometimes don't like typing out my things, but I'll rather draw them, and I have a thing for like just drawing ideas because sometimes I could only see a picture of them, so that I'll try to copy down what I have in mind to sort of film and sort of have that same type of like location and feel to what I thought of. So again, I had to go to the store and buy something else. Hello to Apple Pencil Pro. Apple Pencil Pro is a new and improved Apple Pencil, which is absolutely amazing from what I hear. And when I was out there purchasing it, they were telling me all the cool features, all the, motors inside of it, and also how you can twist it and how it basically just has a lot of features stuffed all inside of this pencil. So I'm kind of excited to try that out today and kind of doing it with you guys, but also doing an unboxing. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing. And there it is. This was probably the worst unboxing of an Apple Pencil you guys ever seen, but you know what? It's my unboxing, so bear with me. Apple Pencil Pro, and that's Apple Pencil Pro. Full setup video will be out soon.